In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll confidently send a PDF to others for viewing or feedback, all without leaving Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Make sure you're connected to the internet so sharing works smoothly, and it helps to be signed in to your Adobe account since Acrobat uses the cloud to send the file. With Acrobat open, look to the upper left corner and click the menu. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser so you can pick the PDF you want to share. Navigate to the folder where your document lives, select the file you need, and then click Open. If you work with multiple versions, take a quick moment here to confirm you've chosen the most up-to-date file. Acrobat will load the document so you can see it on screen. Give it a quick glance to make sure pages are in order and any recent changes are saved. Sharing the correct version saves time for everyone. Now move your eyes to the top right area of the Acrobat window. You'll see the Share option. Click Share. This opens the sharing panel, which is where you'll set up who gets access. In the field provided, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Double-check spelling to avoid bounced invitations. If you're inviting more than one person, you can add additional addresses separated by commas. It's a good idea to think about who needs to view versus who needs to comment, so you invite only the right people. Below the email field, you can type a short message. Use this to give context, such as what to review, a due date, or any sections that need attention. Clear instructions here make your collaborators' jobs easier and help you get better feedback. When everything looks good, click Invite. Acrobat will securely prepare the document, upload it to Adobe's cloud if needed, and send email notifications to your recipients. They'll receive a link that lets them open the PDF in their browser or in Acrobat, and depending on your settings, they can view and leave comments without having to install extra tools. That's it. You opened Acrobat, used the menu to open your file, confirmed it looked right, went to the Share option in the top right, added the email address of the person you want to invite, included a helpful message, and clicked Invite. Keep these steps handy, and sharing your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat will be fast, reliable, and professional every time.